It was narrated from Ibn Abbas that a woman asked the Prophet about her thurwa had died, and he did not perform Hajj. He said, "Perform Hajj on behalf of your father." It was narrated from Abu Razin that he said, "O Messenger of Allah, my father is an old man and he cannot perform Hajj or umrah, nor can he travel." He said, "Perform Hajj and umrah on behalf of your father." Sahih. It was narrated from Abu Hurairah that the Prophet said, "Hajj al-Mabur brings nowhere other than paradise." The report is the same except that he said, "Expiates for what came in between." Ibn Umar narrated that the Messenger of Allah said, "Whoever assumes ihram for Hajj and umrah, then it is acceptable for him to perform one tawaf and one sal for them both, until he exits ihram for both of them together." Ibn Umar said, "Whoever performs Hajj to the house, then let the last of their acts be at the house, except for menstruating women." The Messenger of Allah gave them permission to leave. Sahih Mawquf. Jabir bin Abdullah narrated, a woman held a bow of hers up for the Messenger of Allah and said, "O Messenger of Allah, is there Hajj for this one?" He said, "Yes, and you will be rewarded." Asib bin Yazid narrated, "My father took me for Hajj with the Messenger of Allah during the farewell Hajj, and I was 7 years old." Abu Bakr as-Siddiq narrated that the Messenger of Allah was asked, "Which Hajj is the most virtuous?" He said, "That with raised voices al-Hajj and the flow of blood of the sacrifice at Hajj." Abu Hurairah narrated that the Messenger of Allah said, "Whoever performs Hajj for Allah, and he does not have sexual relations nor commit any sin, then his previous sins will be forgiven." Narrated Hafsa, I said, "O Allah's Apostle, what is wrong with the people? They have finished their ihram but you have not." He said, "I matted my hair and I have garlanded me haughty, so I will not finish my ihram till I finished my Hajj."